guys, my name is Amira May Zara and I'm the oldest in Zara's sister.
Hi guys, my name is Zaira May Zara.
Hi guys, my name is Zoe. Let's prepare my brownies and I'm gonna shake. Yeah, let's go. How can we eat? Let's gonna shake it.
I don't.
No, look at
No!
Okay, let's go. The cookies. You're so noisy, you're so naughty.
Janan is crazy.
I saw it, Mara.
Sorry.
Janelle, you're so noisy, you're so shouting loud.
Yeah.
You're loud, you're so shouting.
Zoe!
Hi, Zoe. Sorry, I forgot your nickname.
Yeah, me too.
But sorry, guys. Janelle loves her nickname.
Yeah.
And she's angry all the time. She's angry. Look guys in her face.
Janet is dog because
Zoe is
no.
I said I bite your shoulder. You have the wrong accent.
Quiet.
Go away. I don't like you.
I don't like you, Dee. Me too. I don't like you.
You're so naughty. He's naughty.
Ano ba yun?
You're so kulit too. Asaway. 3 only cause my
No.
Zoe, stop! You are Jake. You're so jerk.
Chinese.
Can I try? What cherries? What's that mean?
To you.
What is tuyo?
I don't know.
Wow, social! So socialist. We own language Canada. Canada?
Quiet, Janelle!
Zoe, stop shouting. It's so loudly.
Yeah.
When you said the wrong name, I'm gonna shout loudly. Okay, sorry. So let's get away.
Stop it! I said.
Can I try it?
Zoe is noisy.
But you're naughty.
No, you.
Okay, let's get
Aga.
Alaska.
Malaska.
Alaska! What is Alaska?
Oh,
Alaska.
Alaska
It's
is
like Malaska.
mala sila.
What is Malas? Don't speak Tagalog because we are on video. Yeah, this. Just ignore her. I'm ignoring.
I'm yummy.
What?
Sorry, guys.
Hello. You're so sexy. I'm the hottest in the world. But I'm the cutest and I'm prettier. And you're the ugliest in the world. That's right.
No.
You are. Just accept it. Yeah. You're the middle of the sister. Middle sister.
Toyota.
To you. Do you want Alaska? Alaska. What's that? Alaska. Oh! It has a small hole. It's okay.
I'm not
I'm gonna
Alaska.
put it
Just,
in the
yes.
brownies.
Malaska.
In the bowl, in the brownies. Bowl with the brownies. I know.
Yeah.
Don't see that, cause yes.
Quiet din eh. So noisy. Like Zoe.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, Zoe. I forgot your name. I forgot your name.
And who is Janelle? Who's Janelle? I'm Janelle. I'm Zamira. No!
No! She is Zoe.
I can shout loudly.
I
You're
for-
Janelle.
I forgot your name. Sorry.
I will forget your name. You really forgot my name? Yep, see.
Yeah.
Your real name is
What's
Zoe,
that?
But your nickname
Gone
But
hand?
your nickname is Janelle.
What
and-
is the previous name? Gone.
Don't say me like that. We love your name, Janelle, cause it's so pretty.
Quiet!
Your Zoe is so annoying, so corny. Cause you said Janelle. Okay. Where's Alvin?
Eh, just
No.
use Malaska.
Alaska! 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 Yep, see. Alaska is an English word.
Malaska.
But Alaska is a Tagalog. Alaska is an English. You're so naughty. You're so dumb. Oh, dumb. You're so dumb.
Ow, Charles.
Can you put this? Yep. I gonna find my umbrella.
Toyo.
Where is my... No! Don't!
Where is Zoe?
Zaira always borrow my perfume. That is the Philippines, made in Philippines, but I like Philippines. Cause I'm a Filipino girl, but my daddy is Canada boy and my mother is Filipino girl. Cause I'm Filipino girl and I'm the pretty in the world.
Where is my wallet?
Okay. And we are speaking Tagalog someday and someday, yeah, always. And yeah, I'm speaking Tagalog. And I know how to introduce my name in Tagalog. But just a little, but just a little bit, cause like I'm in English.
This is tissue.
It's so hard. It's so hard to pull the brownie. It's so hard. Okay. The baby's crying in the chocolate. Oh my god. Why is so okay? I'm gonna introduce my name when I'm done to
I'm
to-
crying.
Hey, what are you doing in the camera? I'm gonna introduce my name when I'm done in cooking brownies. I'm gonna introduce in Tagalog my name. Yeah. Hi Zoe, you're back. You're so ugly.
Oh.
You're so ugly.
What? What's that? What's that?
Malaska.
No, this.
Brownie. No!
I gotta shoot. Bracket.
Alaska. Alaska. Okay, I'm gonna wash
shake.
I'm gonna wash my
My
hands
hand.
because I'm gonna
Eat.
barehand this. Don't be dirty on me. Cause what? Fake. I'm not messy in my food. Cause I'm washing my hands and I'm gonna bare hands into brownie. Yeah. I'm washing my hands now.
Me too.
Okay. But you have to yeah. Stop. Like I know, oh no. Go get some tissue. Go get some tissue. Go get some tissue. Oh, I yeah. We're gonna put in the tissue.
Then
Then